Land plays a major role in regulating the climate, which is why this topic is comprehensively covered in an IPCC report released in 2019. In order to enable primary and secondary school teachers to take up this issue, the Office for Climate Education, or OCE, has developed various resources, including this teaching guide. Let's explore it in more detail. This guide, intended for teachers, is a turnkey manual. It starts with a scientific perspective, allowing you to understand the causes and consequences of climate change, and to review some measures to deal with this phenomenon. Then, the pedagogical insight presents the didactic approaches used in the guidebook. It is recommended that you read them before you start the class sessions. In the first part of the guidebook, entitled We Understand, you will find 19 complete turnkey sessions, with instructions intended for you. Each session is presented in the same way. You will find a quick overview of the theme covered, the estimated duration of the session, as well as the main educational objectives. You can also find scientific notes that will allow you to prepare the activity as well as possible, and some clues to help you anticipate points that might be tricky in class. Each session also includes worksheets for students and different types of activities, such as serious games, experiments, or even documentary analysis. The succession of these activities has been designed in a logical way. However, it is absolutely not essential to do them all in your class. Feel free to pick the ones that seem the most relevant to you. The second part of the book, titled We Act, presents 7 examples of projects implemented in classes in order to raise awareness, mitigate, or adapt to climate change. The OCE also offers other types of resources around this teaching guide. For example, you will find multimedia animations for students. Integrated into a session, this makes it possible to better understand certain difficult concepts, such as the notion of food webs or the one of carbon cycle. You will also find short videos, in which experts present a theme related to the subject, and which can serve as a beginning or conclusion in a class session. You can find all of these tools on the resource page of the Office for Climate Education website. With the Land and Climate Change Guidebook, you and your students really have the climate in your hands.